west of Dodgeville to near Monroe Point to near Argyle, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
70-mile-an-hour winds.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Fitchburg, Verona, Mount Horeb, Dodgeville, Monroe Point, Darlington, Belleville, New Glarus, Mazo, Maine, Brooklyn, Black Earth, Belmont, Argyle, Blanchardville, Barneville, Blue Mounds, Highland, Arena, Dayton, and Ridgeway. Other landmarks included are the following locations: York Memorial Church, Hyde's Mill, the House on the Rock, and Iowa Grand School. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south central Wisconsin.
70-mile-an-hour winds.